Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever seen children working when they should actually be playing, studying, and dreaming? Why is childhood stolen from millions of children even today? Today we will understand a very touching and realistic chapter, Lost Spring by Anis Jung. So let's begin. About the author. Anis Jung is an Indian author and journalist. In this chapter, she highlights the harsh reality of child labor and poverty in India. Lost Spring is based on real life experiences, not imagination. Meaning of the title Lost Spring. Spring symbolizes childhood, joy, freshness, and hope. Lost spring means childhood that is lost due to poverty, exploitation, and social injustice. Structure of the chapter. The chapter is divided into two parts. First, Sahibe Alam, a rag picker from Simapuri, Mukesh, a bangle maker from Firozabad. Okay. Part 1, Sahibe Alam, a rag picker. Sahibe Alam is a poor boy who lives in Simapuri, a slum near Delhi. His family migrated from Bangladesh due to poverty and natural disasters. Life of Sahib. He searches for garbage every morning. Garbage is his means of survival. For him, garbage is gold. Sahib has no school, no playground, and no proper home. His childhood is lost in poverty. Symbolism of shoes. Sahib walks barefoot, just like other children in Semapuri. This shows extreme poverty, carelessness of the government, society's indifference. When Sahib finally gets shoes, he doesn't know how to wear them because he has never owned a pair before. Sahib's job at a tea stall. Sahib starts working at a tea store for 800 rupees and meals. Although he earns money, he loses his freedom. Earlier he was poor but free, but for now he is employed but no longer his own master. Part 2, Mukesh Bangle Maker. Mukesh lives in Firozabad, famous for glass bangles. Children here work in dark rooms, hot furnaces, dangerous conditions, which affects their eyes, health, and future. The burden of tradition. Bengal making is a family tradition passed from generation to generation. Reasons children cannot escape: poverty, debt, middlemen, lack of education. They are born into this exploitation. Mukesh dream. Mukesh is different. He dares to dream. He wants to become a motor mechanic, not a bangle maker. This dream shows hope, courage, desire to break the cycle of poverty. Even though the path is difficult, Mukesh is ready to walk it. Themes of the chapter: child labor, poverty, lost childhood, social injustice, exploitation, hope versus reality. Message of the chapter: the chapter teaches us that poverty steals childhood. Society and government fail poor children. Education is the only way out. Children deserve dreams, not labor. Conclusion: Lost Spring is not just a story, it is a mirror of our society. As long as children are forced to work, spring will remain lost from their lives. If you found this explanation helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.